Before we get started in learning how to find the difference quotient, we need to do a little bit of what we call in the education community scaffolding. So, understanding when f of x is equal to x squared, what is f of x plus h, and being able to not only understand where it comes from, but being able to memorize this answer and recall it quickly is going to really help us when we get to these next problems that are kind of long and icky. So let's think about this. If f of x is x squared, what is f of x plus h? Well, what does f of x plus h mean? It means we're going to take all of the x's in f of x and we're going to take those out, and in their place we're going to put an x plus h. So f of x plus h, we would normally have x squared. So we take out that x and leave a hole. And in that spot, we're going to put x plus h. And we got to remember, when you have a binomial squared, how do we do that? We write it twice and we multiply. So we need to distribute or FOIL this. And what is that going to be equal to? Well, that's going to be x squared, and then x times h is xh. And then, okay, let's look at this one. H times x, and then the last distribution is h times h, or h squared. Now, would you agree with me that 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2, and 7 times 5 is the same as 5 times 7? Absolutely. So, is h times x the same as x times h? It is. So we can rewrite this as x squared plus xh plus xh plus h squared. Oop, h squared. Okay, now we have one more step to get this simplified, and we have to combine the two xh's. And that gets a little tricky, but if we can think of it this way, what is 1xh plus 1xh? Oh, that's 2xh's. So we have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So what is x plus h, the quantity squared, equal to? Well, that's x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. I strongly recommend that you either be able to get to this quickly, or you sort of memorize that x plus h quantity squared is the same as x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. That's something you need to burn into your brain, because we're going to use it really, really big in these next problems covering the difference quotient.